I spent nearly $500 on 4 pairs of contacts from Swati lenses. Let's see if they're even worth it. Hi my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here filming this with you. You guys, I did a little splurge and I bought a bunch of Swati contacts because they had some new colors. It's been a really long time since I've tried them and I felt like it was necessary to revisit them and see if they're even worth it. I'm especially wanting to test this for you guys because I don't want y'all to be wasting your money. Last time I tried them, I had some opinions, but let's see. I'm coming into this with a fresh perspective, a fresh mind, and oh my god, that was up. My camera just fell from the tripod and literally just like smashed on the ground. This is my new camera. I was so nervous, like it almost broke. Anyway, let's get into this review. We're gonna start off with Olivine Green Brown. This one is one of their newer shades and it's meant to be an earthy green lens with brown accents. I do really like a few things about this lens. One of the things that I really like is the subtle soft limbal ring. Is it just me or these are almost giving like Mystic Olive, but way more opaque? And that could be something that you either love or hate. That's really down to your preference. I think another thing that comes down to your preference is the overall tone and shade of this lens and how it looks on you as an individual. For me personally, these are a touch more cool toned than I think I would like. It's a little bit less flattering on me personally, especially right now because I'm super tan, I have warm skin, warm hair, everything is warm. So my eyes being kind of cooler toned, I feel like almost throws it off and looks a little bit more artificial. I thought I was really gonna like these. I was hoping that they would have been a little bit more of a warmer, almost like yellowy olive green, but they are giving a cool tone. If you're looking for a cool tone though, these could be perfect for you. The other thing that I personally am not a huge fan of is just that shade around the pupil. I think it's just too neutral, too cool toned for me, and it's giving a little bit of bug eye, dare I say it. But the cool thing about Swati is that I really enjoy the construction of their lenses. I love the style of how their lenses are made. I think it's so pretty. Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't really like these ones that much. I thought these were going to be the best, so let's go ahead and jump to Emerald because maybe those will be a better green. And yes, Emerald is a way better green. These actually really remind me, I'm going to use Dimple Color as another example because so many of you guys loved the shade Eden Green from Dimple Color, but I've heard so many of you also say that Eden Green looked a little bit artificial up close, and I feel that way about Eden Green as well, but I still love them. However, this might replace Eden Green because Emerald is freaking beautiful. This is exactly what I would want in a green contact. It has the opacity, it has the boldness, it has a beautiful warm green, but it also has a feathered and diffused pupil. I really like the construction of this contact. I think it's super well done. You can see in lower lighting outside, they look very soft. In brighter, more intense lighting in the direct sunlight, you're getting that really vivid green mossy shade with some emerald tones around the pupil and a warmer kind of earthy green brown right up close around your pupil. I really like that. I think these are very well done. Swati did a very good job with these, and the interesting thing about these is they don't follow the same structure as some of the other lenses from Swati. Pretty much all of the other lenses from Swati have a certain kind of pattern, and I feel like these are one of the only ones that looks completely different. I did get this shade in the 1 month lenses, and I actually kind of wish that I had the 6 month lenses instead because I really love the way these look. I do think these will change a lot depending on your skin tone and how your eyes look, but one thing about Swati lenses is they are really opaque. Here's another new one from Swati. This one's called Amber Brown. This one is a rich brown lens. It has warm amber tones, which, oh my goodness. Do you know how hard it is to find an amber contact lens? I really love the glow that an amber lens gives. I actually really like these, but they are a bit finicky because in different lighting they look so different. They have almost a greenish olive undertone that I really like, and they have some brown around the limbal ring as well that gives a really beautiful depth. So it has a beautiful balance of light and depth. They also have a little bit of an amber shade right around your pupil, kind of feathering out, that I love that. I think it's so pretty. But I will say that in some lighting, they just look completely different, and that's not a bad thing. But I've had like experiences where I'm not sure if I like how they look in some lighting. I do think this is the type of lens that looks best when you have a little bit of makeup on your face. If you're a boy, then obviously like maybe you don't want to wear makeup. I don't know if you would love them. I don't know how to describe it, but I almost feel like Swati lenses look like they're sitting on top of your eye a little bit. I don't know, let me know if you agree with me. And here's the last one, Aquamarine. I hate these. I hate this blue so much. I bought these to test them to see if they could be one of my best blues, and they are definitely not. If you're looking for a vibrant, opaque, really vivid blue, this could be perfect for you. And maybe it's just how it looks on me, because it has a lot of potential. Beautiful soft limbal ring, really beautiful feathering and detailing, some lighter and darker hints and peaks in there, and overall the tone is vivid. But on me, these, I don't know, I just was not feeling them. I just don't think they look natural on me particularly. And that's not really anything against the construction of the lens, because I actually think this style has a beautiful look. I do think we could do a little better with the pupil, maybe some more diffusing, maybe a little bit of a brownish warmth around the pupil could look good as well. For some reason, I just feel like these are missing the mark. And I want to show you another clip, because you're looking at these right now, and I feel like sometimes when I make these videos, you guys always say like, oh, every contact looks good on you. But this is why I'm really excited to include some outdoor lighting clips, because I feel like you can really get a better idea of what the lenses look like. And funny enough, my son was playing with my camera after I had filmed this video, and he was like, let me take a picture of you. Y'all, this is what I look like in the picture, okay? Don't tell me that that didn't look crazy. Okay, so let's actually talk about my thoughts with all these lenses now that I've tried them. I personally feel like Swati lenses can be really beautiful, but are they worth it? I would say no. Honestly, the price is really high. However, if you were to break down the cost of the 6-month lenses per month, it's not as bad as it seems. My little girl math hack, well, it's actually real math that I like to do with lenses, is I like to take the cost and I divide it by how many months you can wear it for. When they're not on sale, they're 116 divided by 6. That makes it $19.33 per month. So would you pay $20 per month for these contacts? That's totally up to you. I do think these are really on the high end side, and they are giving you high-end comfort, which honestly, not all high-end contacts even give you that. So that is one thing that I really like about these. All of the lenses that I've tried from Swati, every single time I've tried them, have been extremely comfortable. Like, I'm gonna give these a 9.5 out of 10. They are very comfortable. They don't get uncomfortable as you wear them. Like, I've had Swati lenses that I've put in after a year, even though they're only 6 months, and they've felt just the same for comfort. Now, don't do that. That's not something you should be doing. You shouldn't be wearing contacts after they're expired. Sometimes I'll just try the color just for the sake of a video, but I don't suggest it. The other thing that I really like about Swati is like the thickness of the lens. They're not too thick, they're not too thin. They're like that happy medium in between. Sometimes I feel like with lenses, when they're too thin, they break really easily, or they rip really easily, or they tear really easily, which kind of drives me crazy, because then I always end up having to throw them out early. So that's just like another little thing that I noticed that I like. All of the colors that I tried in this video today were beautiful. Amber was actually really gorgeous, especially in that direct sunlight. However, in some lighting, they do give bug eye, and that's exactly how I feel about Olivine. They're gorgeous. I actually really like the shade. They really remind me of Mystic Olive from Dimple Color, but in some lighting, they give bug eye. However, Emerald, I feel like, is not giving that. I really did not like the Aquamarine blue. I think it's a very unnatural looking blue on me, at least. I just don't think that they are really flattering on me at all. So those would not be my top choice. I probably would not recommend those at all. But some other ones that I did really like from Swati from my previous haul, I really liked Jade. I really liked Sandstone, but I loved Bronze. Bronze was a really pretty rich, warm brown. It's like a deep brown, and they're gorgeous. They're so gorgeous if you love a brown contact, but honestly, the price, I just don't know if I can get behind this price, y'all. That being said, I did purchase these when they had a buy one, get one free sale. I think this is a sale that they often do, because I see they were running another one recently. So if you are interested in Swati, try to wait for that sale. In the past, they haven't shipped to the US, but it looks like they do now. I've even seen that they're available in Sephora. I think that's in Sweden, so like they're doing big things. Have you tried Swati lenses? Let me know what you think of their lenses. Leave a comment down below. It could help someone else out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah! more of me on TikTok. I post like lots of short contact videos all the time, and Instagram, of course. Mwah, mwah, bye. Love you guys.